Welcome to Study Loop.
So now we'll work on problem 60 from chapter 1. Here we're asked several conversion problems. The first is, if an electric car is capable of going 225 kilometers on a single charge, how many charges will it need to travel from Seattle, Washington to San Diego, California, a distance of 1,257 miles, assuming that the trip begins with a full charge? So first here, we need to recognize that we need to convert from miles to kilometers. So we can compare the distance with the amount of the amount of distance per charge. So we have 1257 miles for the distance. And we can multiply by 1.609 to convert to kilometers. And that's equal to 2023 kilometers. And then the second part, we need to see how many charges it would take to go from Washington to San Diego. We need to divide 2023. We have 2,223 kilometers, and then we can divide by 225 kilometers per charge. So the kilometers cancel, and we have a value of 9 charges are needed to make this trip. So in part B, we are told that if a migrating loon flies at an average speed of 14 meters per second, what is its average speed in miles per hour? So we simply need to convert between meters per second and miles per hour. So here we have 14 meters per second. We multiply by 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters. And then we can convert from kilometers to miles. 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. And then we convert seconds to hours by multiplying by 62 times. The first time to convert from minutes to seconds to minutes. The second time to convert from minutes to hours. And this gives us a value of 31 miles per hour. So for part C, we are told that, or we're asked, what is the engine position displacement in liters of an engine whose displacement is listed as 450 inches cubed? So we need to convert from inches cubed to liters. So we're given 450 inches cubed. We convert to centimeters cubed by multiplying by 2.54 centimeters cubed. And we multiply by 1 over 1 because we have a 1-to-1 ratio between milliliters and centimeters cubed. Then we multiply by 1 over 1,000 to convert to liters. And the value that we get is 7.4. Finally, for part D, we're told in March 89, the Exxon Valdez ran aground and spilled 240,000 barrels of crude petroleum off the coast of Alaska. 1 barrel of petroleum is equal to 42 gallons. how many liters of petroleum were spilled. So first we're given barrels, and first, based on the information in the problem, we can convert from barrels to gallons by multiplying by 42. Then we can convert from gallons to liters by multiplying by 3.785 liters per 1 gallon. Barrels, barrels, gallons, gallons cancel, and we get a value of 3.8 times 10 to the 7 liters.